anchor.
I still got it. You can feel it. How much boost are you running in it?
About 7 to 8.
7 to 8 pounds. That amazes me that this 3A can handle it. I'm not gonna lie.
As long as you keep the head gasket in one piece, they'll fucking do it.
That's wild. Jesus.
Yeah, no, there's still a lot of power left on the table because my timing's pulled real far back.
Okay.
I've been timing it based off the spark plug, and if you look at the electrode where the burn mark is,
yeah,
I'll tell exactly where your timing needs to be. And I'm still like really far down.
You're doing it real old school.
Yeah, well, it's the only way to do it.
Yeah.
Mine's hard to
Oh, that is awesome.